guys, I'm Anchal Oberoi and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super fabulous. So guys, I'm at the very famous Crawford Market and I am all set to give you a tour of this market. So come on, let's go and check out the market. And if you guys like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So come on, let's get started. Crawford Market is one of South Mumbai's most famous markets. The market is situated opposite the Mumbai Police Headquarters, and in the main building of Crawford Market you get mainly food items like vegetables, fruits, chocolates, cheese, chicken and mutton, bakery products and lots of variety in them. And well, it is also known for housing some of the most well-known pet shops in Mumbai. So guys, I'm at the famous Crawford Market and he is, आपका क्या नाम है? उल्लास। तो उल्लास की यहाँ पर शॉप है और ये हमें बताएंगे कि क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट किस चीज़ के लिए फेमस है और इनकी शॉप में क्या क्या मिलता है।
क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट ड्राई फ्रूट के लिए, चॉकलेट्स के लिए, कॉस्मेटिक्स के लिए, इसमें फ्रूट भी मिलता है, सब्जियाँ मिलती है, सब कुछ मिलता है, खाने का चीज़ सब कुछ ये मार्केट में मिलता है।
अच्छा, तो उल्लास ये होलसेल मार्केट है या फिर रिटेल मार्केट है कि
होलसेल भी है और रिटेल भी है, दोनों भी है।
तो आप डिस्काउंटेड रेट्स पे देते हैं सब कुछ?
डिस्काउंट पे, बाहर से जो मॉल में रेट रहता है उससे 30% से कम में रेट में इधर मिलता है।
अच्छा, तो मेरा YouTube चैनल है आंचल ओबरॉय, तो मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स आएंगे तो आप उन्हें कितना डिस्काउंट देंगे?
डिस्काउंट करके देगा मैडम।
डिस्काउंट करके देंगे? 5% डिस्काउंट करके देंगे?
30% 40% डिस्काउंट करके देगा।
अच्छा, 30-40% डिस्काउंट करके देंगे। चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच उल्लास भैया।
वेलकम मैम।
So guys, like you can see, you get a great variety of dry fruits in this market and they are also of supreme quality, and also you get a lot of these masalas, lot of toffees, candies, juices, syrups, and all of them are available at wholesale rates. So yes guys, you get all of these things at a discount of 25 to 35% than what you actually get them in the market for. And also this market is great for your cosmetics, yes, your shower gels, your perfumes, your deodorants, and all of your makeup items are available here too, and again they are available at very reasonable rates. You get all your makeup items here, right from your foundations to your mascara, kajal, your eyeshadows, your blush, and everything is available at very reasonable rates. Also, if you're looking at a theme-based party like your bride-to-be or your birthday or even a baby shower, you will get decorative items for every theme here. And also, not only your decorative things, but right from your plates to your glasses to all the things that you require for a party will all be available here. So if you're looking for having a party at home, you must definitely visit this market because it's going to make your life really simple. So guys, like you can see here, you also get your olive oils, your other essential oils, your luxury soaps. All of this is available in this market. Again, even your packing things are available, like you get nice options of your boxes. So if you're looking at sending gifts to people for a wedding purpose or for your other festivities, then you can get these boxes in bulk, because again you get a nice variety in them and also they are very reasonably priced. And yes, there is a nice variety of shishas available in this market too. So again guys, like you can see, your dry fruits, your toffees, candies, masalas, syrups, and lots of variety in them. This market is open on all days of the week except for your Sundays, and it's open from 11 a.m. in the morning to 8 p.m. in the night. So Crawford Market is great for your household items. Like you can see, all these shopping bags are available here, and even your basic things like your napkins, your tissue rolls, your foils, everything is available here. And also, like I was telling you, it is great for your parties, like if you want to buy decorations, your paper plates, your plastic plates, your paper cups or your plastic cups. All of these things are available in bulk here. You get all your basic kitchen items in this market, right from your utensils going into your plastic things, and even your basics like your scissors or your earbuds, your toothpicks. all the basic things that are required in the house. And these cashews and chocolates really do look tempting. So Crawford Market is also a huge wholesale fruit market, and you get great quality of fruits in this market. And guys, if you're new to my channel, then please do join in, because I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family, because I make a lot of these videos on markets and also on fashion, travel and lifestyle. So please do join in. Crawford Market is also great for bags. So yes, you get everything from your suitcases to your big backpacks, also going into your small sling bags, your duffel bags, tote bags, and also your waist bags. And again, all of these are available at very reasonable rates. You have all these branded showrooms here, and all of them have great deals going on. So guys, right opposite the main Crawford building, there is this whole market where you have lot of these beauty shops, and also you get lot of your makeup, lot of bags, lot of clothes, all of these things in the market. And also it's a huge wholesale market for toys. So you also do get toys at very reasonable rates. Besides the main shops, you have a lot of these stalls on the road where you get your footwear, your bags, your toys, and there is lots and lots of variety in them. Also, since Christmas is around the corner, I saw a lot of these stalls which had your Christmas trees and your Christmas tree decorations, and a lot of them had the Santa Claus dresses, the caps, and there was lots of variety available in these decorations. You get a good variety of decorative things in this market. Like you can see all these round lamps, your star lamps, and all these decorations which are hanging are there in plenty. So guys, with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, liked it, and found it useful. And if you did, then don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So see you guys very soon with something very exciting. Lots and lots of love to all.